Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. Today, we will learn how to mask faces with auto-tracking feature in the Wondershare Filmora 14. Whether you want to cover up faces during your interviews or hide children's faces in your vlogs, this tutorial will help you achieve that. Firstly, when filming in public, you may need to conceal people's identities, either because they haven't given consent or to protect their safety and privacy. So head to Effects tab. Then in the Body Effects category, there is an effect called Face Mosaic. Choose from the catalog, apply it to the clip. Then, go to the Effects settings. The faces in the video will be detected automatically. Now, keep the selection for faces you want to mask. Set the strength, feather, and opacity as needed. As you can see, it's successfully hiding the face with auto-tracking. Try the other styles as well. Sometimes, showing children's faces is prohibited in reporting, or you may simply want to keep your baby's face private in your personal vlogs. Of course, you can do it with Face Mosaic effect. Instead, there are cute stickers available that can be used as well. Simply search for it. Let's use this. Place over the video, resize and move it. Then, head to Video Settings, AI Tools. Motion Tracking. You can temporarily hide the sticker, then place the selector on the face to track it. Finally, link the sticker from the drop-down here. There you go. It's covering up the face as planned. You may use your own photo stickers to make it funnier. Download and try it today in the Filmora 14.